to go left castle with Sunil running a deflection run down the middle.
It's Gajinder to open the scoring, he does! Gajinder for India, and India have the lead inside the first quarter. India 1, Pakistan 0.
Off the left-hand castle, watch Sunil's run, he runs down the middle. That to me isn't, he's not blocking anybody, all he's doing is distracting the #1 runner. He runs in there, he moves out the way, he's 10 yards away from the goalkeeper. All it's doing is distracting Rizwan Senior. Rizwan Senior could have run inside him quite happily. He's not running at him. And I'd agree with Pakistanis that there's a hint of a deliberate knock off the baseline.
There's a deflection into the roof of the net, and Pakistan get their equaliser. It's the number 18, Kadir, getting his second goal of the tournament. He watched that every inch of the way, and that is a world-class finish into the roof of Srijesh's net. It's India 1, Pakistan 1.
It's the second phase of play down the baseline. They've got in there, swept across, and that is a fantastic touch inside the near post. Srijesh reacts after it's hit the net behind him. That's not a deflection, that's a played hitter goal, open hand, sweeping across and deflecting high.
Fairly frequent basis. Here's Rizwan Senior, crossfield ball, acres of room here. Pakistan to take the lead, little deflection goal, and that'll stand. Dharam, Veer and the rest of the side, well, what are India going to a video referral?
They don't have a referral, but it's an umpire referral who suspects it's a back stick. It's an umpire referral, is it back stick?
I can only presume it's from this break here. There's no doubt about that ball to Razul, that's world class, and then just clicked in there.
Yeah, I think
he asked the question.
At first view it looks like back stick, it's clipped across, there's nothing wrong with any of this. Does it then touch back stick before it gets touched in?
It's Wakas with the final touch, just here.
Oh, see, I'm not sure that is. I think that's forehand. I think he's got his hands around that quite well.
To me as well, looks that angle.
Is there a second touch?
Something on it.
First touch is fine. Is there a second touch before it goes in? Probably need to slow that down even more than that.
There's the hit that comes
out
in.
The picture. There. Is it touched down? It's the first touch is fine. The first touch is fine. It's this, is there a second touch? Because that's what Srijesh looks at, but I'm not sure his eyes are looking at it.
It is so scrappy out there. Akash Deep tries to get some sense of control. Lovely skills.
There it is.
Here's a chance for the equaliser. With 2 minutes to go in the quarter, it's India 2, Pakistan 2.
We saw it from up here, you could see the angle as soon as Akashdeep cut in field. He knew there was a ball on to Sunil. He's cut in once, his eyes are up. There is the floated pass through. Dharamveer takes it round the goalkeeper. Butt's footwork isn't quick enough. He can't get his feet, his hips down on the floor. He's flailing with an extension stick. That's the most simple of finishes under the keeper. Boom, 2-2.
Well, game on. There's another look at it from this angle. Dharamveer's goal. Sunil was waiting there on the far post as well. Nothing the goalkeeper could do about that one. Irfan is at the top of the D, as is Imran. It's come Imran's way. Irfan now with the flick, beats the keeper, and Pakistan are back ahead. It's India 2, Pakistan 3.
That's a routine that's been worked before. We've seen it. We've seen Imran picking it on the top of the circle and dropping it behind him for Irfan. It comes out to the top, and that's exactly what happens. Imran picks, takes it round so that Gajinder can't do it. There's 2 green shirts in the way. It manages to miss absolutely everybody. I'm not sure how, with that congestion in the middle of the circle. This is all of them completely. Sunil unsighted because of the players in front of him. Sorry, Srijesh unsighted because the players in front of him. And Irfan makes no mistake. Change direction into the circle.
There's a deflection! It does go in finally! And about the 5th time of asking, Gamaya converts and draws India level. It's India 3, Pakistan 3.
Great delivery from Gurbaj into the circle. They were patient, they worked it round the back, they've looked up, Gurbaj smashes it in. That's the easiest of touches, but where is the Pakistan defence? They're not zone, they're not man-to-man, they've been caught between 2 stools, and all of a sudden it's the easiest of finishes for Nikin Pamaya.
He makes it look very easy.
He was in exactly the right place, low, wide base. If the ball had come to his right foot, he could have touched it in. If it had gone to his left foot, he could deflect it in.
If the scores stay level. Remember, India beat Pakistan in the shootout at the Asian Games. Pakistan here, though, to win on the backhand, and they do! Pakistan are going to take the win here, I think. That's certainly a fourth goal. It's India 3, Pakistan 4, with just a minute and a half to play. Well, a deflated stadium, as you can imagine, here at the Kalinga Stadium, because Pakistan look as though they've clinched it in the final 2 minutes.
And it's gone into a bottom corner again. It's a crash ball in that's been missed. Gajinder just doesn't get the right side of his man. All of a sudden, Kottajit's a metre away as well. He doesn't attack the ball. Srijesh is unable to get on top of it.